I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Peugeot 308 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof, you get 17-inch alloy wheels, there's tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control. The car can even call emergency services in an accident. So let's have a look around. Car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 12,000 miles. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.